Happy kids.
A is for Australia. B is for Brazil. C is for Canada. D is for Denmark. E is for Egypt. F is for Fiji. G is for Germany. H is for Hungary. I is for India. J is for Japan. K is for Kenya. L is for Libya. M is for Mexico. N is for Nepal. O is for Oman. P is for Poland. Q is for Qatar. R is for Romania. S is for Spain. T is for Turkey. U is for USA. V is for Vietnam. W is for Wales. Y is for Yemen. Z is for Zimbabwe.